Hey, Bright Minds Explorers! I'm Alex, and today, we're blasting off with Science Sparks knowledge. Let's learn about shadows and how to make static with balloons. Did you know your shadow follows you everywhere? Let's test why. Quick experiment. Go outside on a sunny day, stand still, watch your shadow. Now jump up high. Where'd it go? Science magic. Your shadow is light playing hide and seek. The sun shines straight, but when you jump, light can't catch up fast enough. That's physics. Try this now. Make shadow animals with your hands. Rabbit ears, dinosaur roar. Have you ever brushed your hair and felt it snap or crackle? That little spark is something special. It's called static electricity. Let's see what happens when we try a fun experiment. Take a balloon and rub it on your hair or your sweater. Whoa, look at that! Your hair starts to stand up. It looks like it's reaching for the balloon, like it's alive. But what's really happening? When you rub the balloon, you're moving tiny, invisible bits of energy called electrons. The balloon steals some electrons from your hair, so the two start to act like magnets. One pulls, the other pushes. Now, stick the balloon to the wall. It stays. No glue, no tape, just electric energy. That's because the electrons make the balloon and the wall attract each other, just like best friends holding hands. Static electricity might look like magic, but it's really science, showing us how even tiny things we can't see can make big things happen. So next time your hair stands up or your sweater snaps, smile and remember, you just met a little spark of energy at work. So next time your hair stands up or your sweater snaps, smile and remember, you just met a little spark of energy at work.